They said education is the key to success, but what if the weight of it locks you in? Sometimes the mind doesn't need more focus, it needs freedom. This, this is what I needed. Out here, there's no pressure to be perfect, no exams, no deadline, just you and the earth breathing together.
Chasing grades like they define me. But who I am isn't even in the numbers.
Let nature remind you, growth takes time, trees don't rush, rivers don't panic, and yet they always find their way. Maybe I just need to pause, to breathe, to remember why I just started. You are not a machine, you are a soul. And sometimes the best way to move forward is to step outside. No, I can't do it. Stressed, lost, go outside. The world is waiting to help you heal. Hashtag breath again. Hashtag nature heals. Hashtag student motivation.